Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Multan Public School and College. Multan Public School and College, Multan. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, I am fine and hope that you are also fine. Dear student, I start your lecture of class O level 10, subject computer. Teacher's name Muhammad Qasim Qureshi. Chapter number 13, databases. A database is a structured collection of data that allows people to extract information in a way that meets their needs. The data can include text, numbers, pictures, anything that can be stored in a computer. Databases are very useful in preventing data problems occurring because data is only stored once. No data duplication. If any changes or addition are made, it only has to be done once. The data is consistent. The same data is used by everyone. What are the databases? What are the databases? A database is a collection of logically related data sets or files. Each file may contain different type of information that are used for specific purposes. The files may be organized in different ways to meet the different processing and retrieval requirements of the user. For example, a bank may have the separate files for the client as follows: saving accounts, current accounts, automobiles loan, personal loan, client information. The client database of bank will consist of the records from all of the above files. The data of any client can be added, retrieved, updated by using database programs. Facilities of database system. A database system normally provides the following facilities to the user: adding new files to database, inserting new data in existing files, retrieving data from existing files, updating data in existing files, deleting data from the existing files, and removing existing the files from the database. I think you understand the concept of database. Totally, a database is a collection of logically related databases. Now we move on to components of the database. Components of the database is that data. The first thing is data. Data is the most important component of a database system. Data is a collection of facts stored in the database. The basic purpose of the database system is to store, maintain, and process data for the user. Number two important component of the database system is hardware. The physical components of a computer system are called hardware. The hardware is used to perform the different tasks such as input, output, storage, and processing. Some important hardware components are as follows: secondary storage, I/O devices, processors, and main memory. This is second main important things of the database component. Now move on to the third component of the database is software. Software is a collection of programs used by computer within a database system. The most important software is DBMS itself. It uses three types of software to enable the database system work properly. These are as follows: operating system software, it manages all hardware components. It also enables all other software to run on the computer. DBMS software, it manages the database in the database system. Application programs and utilities, they are used to access and process the data stored in their database. Personnels, the people related to the database system are called personnel. Different types of persons in a database system are as follows. Database administration, they manage DBMS used and ensure the database is functioning properly. They are responsible of the whole database system. They authorize access to database system and monitor its use workily. These are the major components of the database system. Summary is that data, hardware, software, personnel. These major components of the database system. Now we move on to next article. What are the database systems used for? To store information about people, for example, patient in a hospital, students at a school. To store information about things, for example, cars to be sold, books in a library. To store information about events, for example, hotel bookings and results of the races. These two things which are very important for the database to be used. And database administration, they manage DBMS to use and ensure the database is functioning properly. They are responsible of the whole database system. They authorized access a food database and monitor and use and working of database system. Application programmers, the application programmers write application programs to access data from database. The end user are the people who use application programs to perform different tasks on database. They include closely clerks, managers and directors. Hierarchical model. The hierarchical model arrange the record in hierarchy like an organization chart. Network model. The network model is also similar to hierarchical models. The difference is that the child node can have more than one parent nodes. Database management system is a collection of programs that are used to create, maintain, access database in a convenient and efficient manner. DBMS is an improvement over the traditional file management system. DBMS uses database manager software to control the overall structure of database. DBMS is normally used by large or medium organization for different purposes. Availability, shareability, these are also very important things to be used in the what database used for. So now to move on to the last article today, the structure of the database. Structure of the database. Inside a database, data is recorded in a tables which consist of many records. Each record consists of several fields. From figure 3.1, record 1, field 1, 2, 3, 4. Record 2, field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4. Record number 3, field 1 to up to 4. Record number 4, field 1 to up to 4. Record number 6, field up to this. This is the basic structure of the table. Table contains data about one type of item, person or event. For example, a table of patient, a table of books, a table of doctor's appointments. These are the field names of this record. Each record in a table contains data about a single item, person or event. For example, table of the patient, name of the patient is hospital patient. The table of the books, books name, computer science. The table of the doctor's appointment, 15.45, this is a time appointment on 27 January 2014. This is a complete record of this. The table of patient is Winnie Singh, is example of this. A table of books means computer science book. A table of doctor's appointment is at the time of this and that. Each field contains one specific piece of information about a single item's person or event. For example, for a hospital patient, the fields could be include first name, family name, date of admission, consultant, ward number, bed number. These are all are the field names. You will choose about to complete information about the hospital patient. For a book, the field should be book title, authors, ISBN. These the book information. Do activity 13.2. What fields would you expect to find in each record in the doctor's appointment? In order to be sure that each record can be found easily and to prevent more than one copy of the same record being kept, each record includes primary key field. Each primary key field in the table is unique. Table record number 1, primary key field number 1 up to 4. Record number 2, primary key field number 1 up to 4. Record number 6, primary key field up to 1 to field number 4. The primary key can be field that is already used provided it is unique. For example, the ISBN in the book table or a new field added to each record. For example, a unique hospital number could be added to each hospital patient's record. Sometimes a primary key can be formed by using 2 or more existing fields. For example, the doctor's appointment could have a primary key made for the data and the time of the example. Students, do the activity 13.1 and 13.2.